Welcome guys to another video on this automated lessons. We're gonna use temperature and humid lesson today. So we're gonna use small things, the temperature and humid sensor connected to the breadboard. Always double check if it's not bending, because when it's bending you got a chance that it's not gonna work again. We're gonna check here, connecting this. Connect it very carefully. And plus, when you got a new breadboard, always try to use an all pins to connect all that tray to make it a little softer on every pin. So that way you can double break any chip or sensor on it. We're gonna use around 3 cables, 3 cables, so the rest of one is gonna be ground, the other one is gonna be power, and then the other two, the one is gonna be for data. But you're gonna use one of the pins. That's why we use 3.3 voltage, whether you can use 5, depends on the plug. We're gonna finish connecting this. After connecting right here, it's gonna give you the best setting. After checking all these, you're gonna go back to the computer and run the code. This is a one power, one ground, and the other one back. Simple. We're gonna go to the computer and we're gonna run the code. We're gonna go a little faster running the code. Always a tip, always double check on your code, and this is going to be very sometimes not, but always double check because you never know. One mistakes they're gonna make so break this already in this code to figure out the issue, and after that one back when they was the issue. And it was only a 6 lap. We almost figured out we hit the code. And after that we're gonna run the program. For this automated lesson we are using Python. You can use C. It's looking to learn C because we're gonna start using the continuum. We use C. But here we are using Python for the moment. After writing the code, we're gonna click here, run message. Here's on the phone. We're gonna show you the temperatures. We'll show the temperature. That's right here. Okay, so our temperature in the chip. So that's all. Thank you for watching the video.